Hello all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Today we learn how to use the geographical data icon to get the demographic geographical data of each country. Here I have the list of the countries and we can also get the list of the capital city, or it can be population, or it can be currency code, and so on. So in order to get this data, all you have to do is just type the countries which you want. Here you can see the population, official name, official language of the each country, national anthem, and name of the countries, and so on. Here I have the list of the name of the countries and few parameters like capital, currency code, tax rate, and the life expectancy. So now I would be deriving all these information within a fraction of seconds. Like now copy this list of the countries and go to Home tab, then to the data, then you can see the icon called geographic here. Click onto the geographic and you can get into this each tab like capital, currency code, tax rate, life expectancy, and so on. You can see here again, click on to the I need the currency code. So what I do is I'll just go to the upwards, that is currency code, and I'll click over here. We can get the currency code. Like this you can get the n number of the data, and you can, I'll just delete it off all and redo it for your purpose. Now I have chosen the capital, currency code, tax rate, and life expectancy of each countries. So now I would be selecting all the countries and give the parameter as capital. Capital is in capital or the major city. So I will be clicking on the capital and you can see the Denmark capital Copenhagen, and Hungary capital is Budapest, and Indonesia capital city is Jakarta, and so on. You can see here all these countries capital city. So now I got the capital city details. Now again my parameter would be on the currency code. Now again I'll select the list of the country and go up and click on to the symbol here and insert the data of currency code. You can get the currency code of the countries listed over here, and then you can also get into the tax rate. Now I'll go to the down, so tax rate. You can see the total tax rate. I'll be clicking on here and you can double click to get the details of the rest of the countries. Now the last character is life expectancy. So now I would be clicking on here and my last criteria is life expectancy. So now I would be clicking over here in the list. You can see the life expectancy of Denmark is 81 years. So, and you can also see our country's expectancy is given as 69.4. Like this, you can get the demographic information, geographical information of each country with the usage of new Excel shortcut. That is on go to the data and click on to the geographic icon. I will come up with many more shortcuts in the Excels, and I would teach you all the Excel hacks to save your time, and your process will be hassle free. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Your subscription will be a motivation to me to make more such videos and come up with easy peasy Excel shortcuts. Thank you for watching this video. do like and do subscribe.